All right. If somebody has issue, tell me. If you're not able to pin it, you tell me. I'll try to spotlight the video. Okay. Right now, I'm not doing it, but if somebody wants, that is one thing. And second thing is, those who joined little bit late, you missed some classes. If you send a message to me, I can tell you what is that we already done, what the material you missed, I can forward to you or things like that. Okay, so morning we have done 1 or 2 questions. We'll just continue with that. What is that I gave? BA is equal to 2AB. 2AB. Yes. I will also discuss your IP doubts after a while, after half an hour. I'll try to discuss that. If BA equal to 2AB, I will already discussed about how AB whole square is 2 times A square B square. We also discuss how AB whole cube is 2 power 6 A cube B cube. Now it is AB whole power 4. Okay. Some of you completed, but I wanted to write the details of that. Okay, AB whole power 4, I can write AB into AB into AB into AB. Rearranging it, I can write A into BA. Sir? Yes, please.
Actually, while we are doing AB to the whole power cube, we got two cubes, sir.
Not 2 cubes, 2 power 6.
Sir, we got 8.
Yeah.
We got 8, sir.
Yeah, 2 cubes. Thank you. This is BA and this is B. Okay, so these are 3 things. 3 times I'm going to use this formula. So it will be 2AB, again 2AB, again 2AB into B. 2 I can take common, it is 8. And then A into A is, let me first write that much. A into AB into AB into AB into B. Okay, so this is A square. This BA I can write. This BA I can write. And then this is B square, B into B, B square. So I again have to use a formula here, 2AB, formula here, 2AB and B square. And that will become 32. So instead of writing 8 cube, I want to write 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. I want to write these two together as 3 plus 2. A square into AB into AB into B square. In the next step, it is 2 power 3 plus 2. This is A cube. This is 1 BA. This is 1 B cube. That is again AB, 2AB. So 2 power 3 plus 2 into A cube into AB into B cube. So 2 power 3 plus 2, yeah, that is 2AB. Okay. So look on 2 power 3 plus 2 plus 1 into A cube into AB into B cube. Which is 2 power 6, A power 4, B power 4. So for AB whole power 10, the fourth part of the question, I'm going to directly write 2 power 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 so on up to 1 into A power 10 into B power 10. That is 2 power 45 into A power 10 into B power 10. Anybody is there in this class who studied 10th class state syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So since you are not sure about your board exams, you just started your first year, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I don't know. So far, AP state government is quite hell-bent on somehow they want to conduct only, they say, but we don't know in the future what happens.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Dheeraj, step.
Yes, sir. One doubt, sir. Here means like we can say that. How did you get 2 to the power of 45, sir? That's what I wanted to know.
Oh, How sum of first 9 natural numbers is 45? You wanted to know that?
Sir, not like that, sir.
Ah.
Why you took the power sum of all 9 natural
Okay.
numbers?
Okay, I got it. Here I wrote 3 plus 2 plus 1 purposely. What I want you to see is, when I took power 4, I got BA how many times in my first step?
3 times, sir.
Okay. I want to take this as the first step, this as the second step, and I want to take this as the third step. I want to take it like that. Okay.
Okay.
So here 3 times I use the formula 2AB. So that's why I got 2 cube.
Okay, sir.
And next I use 2 times because 2 times BA came, right? And next only 1 time. In the same way, when you really write AB and AB and AB, so on, AB 10 times, except first A and last B, if you write BA and BA and BA, how many times BA will come in the first step of the solution
9
of AB whole?
times, sir. 9
Yes.
times.
So you are going to get a 2 power 9 common in the next step. And you are
Okay.
going to get an A square here, B square here, and you are going to get BA how many times? 8 times.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to write 2AB 8 times. You are going to get 2 power 8 common. So you are going to get
Okay.
2 power 9 common ones, 2 power 8 common ones, 2 power 7 common ones. So to multiply all of them, add the powers. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, anybody has any still doubt about why I wrote this 2 power 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 1 up to 1? Sakshi, are you there in the class? Okay. I hope others you are able to pin the video, right? If required. Okay, somebody completed on their own. Okay, those who are not completed, I want to write this to the third part of the solution.
Sir, so by this we can conclude that AB to the whole square is equals to A square is not equal to A square B square. Sir.
Yeah, so these questions themselves can come in mains or advanced exam. Apart from that, one thing you'll remember for sure, it is not that AB whole power n, you can straight away write A power n into B power n. But if BA equal to AB is given, this 2 is not there, then yes, we can say it is A power n, B power, right?
Sir, in IP textbook, mathematical induction.
One doubt, sir.
I'll discuss. I said after half an hour I'm going to discuss.
Sir, from this, can we write a general formula, sir, like AB to the power of n? When BA is equal to AB, then AB to the power of n is equals to, like this we can write, sir.
Yeah, 2 power n minus 1 into n by 2. Sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers into A power n into B power n. Not only 2, let it be k, you can write k also.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to erase this whole thing, this AB whole power 10 here. Does anybody need more time to copy this?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Nandan, you are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the 2 power 45 we should leave like that, sir, or else value we should find.
No, yes, I think it's very complicated. Okay, don't worry. I think if you want to can find it, but not necessary. They want you to leave only. Okay. In these 2 years, the whole questions are not about speed mathematics and do this kind of things. Okay, more of conceptual. Nobody will ask the value of that. Okay. Anyway, just one or two small points I have to discuss still further. This also you write it as question. Capital A is equal to A, B, C. D, E, F, and G, H, I. B, I want to take it as I, J, K, L. Capital C is equal to and B is about P, Q, R. Okay, it is given to me already that AB is equal to okay, I can give some other names. Okay. X,
1
Y,
cross
Z.
1.
AC is equal to here is already used. So check.
Sir, in matrix D,
Yes, sir.
PZ has, sir.
This is PQR. IJ, J, K, L, M, N, O, PQR. Okay, this is X, Y, Z. This is some alpha, beta, gamma, and I want to take AD as some other things. STU, something like that, not a big issue. Okay, these are all given to us. Okay. You know, if you take a 3 by 3 matrix and multiply with a 3 by 1 matrix, again you'll get 3 by 1 matrix only, right? 3 by 3 matrix
Yes,
into
sir.
3 by 1 matrix, you will get 3 by 1 matrix. That's why order is same, no problem. Okay. Yes, please.
Can you see the elements of AD?
What? Can you speak a little louder?
Can you say elements of AD, sir?
Elements of AD. STU. STU. Okay. Now, which of the following is true? Okay, first option. A into JKL, MNO, and PQR is equal to XYZ, alpha, beta, gamma, ST. Leave it. A into MNO and PQR is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, delta, ST. And C bit. One of the reason I will discuss means odd numbers or even numbers, odd numbers in the class is in maths, the writing the question takes time. Okay, so better we have standard questions we'll discuss, but some more points I want to discuss. That's one using C bit A into one single matrix J plus M, K plus N, and L plus O equal to X plus alpha, Y plus beta, and Z plus gamma. I don't have enough place. Okay.
Sir, option A, product matrix, what's
X, Y, Z, alpha, beta, gamma, ST. Okay, this ABC, DF, GHI, this is JKL, MNO, PQR. This is XYZ, alpha, beta, gamma, ST. This is JKL, MNO, PQR. This is XYZ, alpha, beta, gamma, ST. Okay, anybody want to comment which options are correct?
Sir, C bit is correct, I think.
C bit is correct. Okay.
So in option
Yes.
C, sir, like
Yes.
A into the matrix is given, like that matrix is 3 by 1 matrix, sir.
Here is 3 by 1 matrix. This J plus M together is one element.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, in all the options, A is multiplied.
Yes, correct. A is multiplied with a particular matrix, and we are telling this is the answer. Is it right? Does anybody feels option A is right?
Yes, sir.
It is actually just stacking up these three answers. See, this into this one is this into this one is this into this one is this. That's what is the data given to us. And let us really try to multiply here. Okay, let's option A. In the place of A, I'll really write the matrix A. A, B, C, D, F, and G, H, I. Okay. Just basically this one is stacked here, this one is stacked here, this one stacked here. The corresponding answers also is stacked. Just I wanted to get an idea that it can be done like that. That's why there is not a big question. Okay. Why? Because you can see how this and these three rows, they will just cover this much. That's all, nothing else. Okay. Because according to AB, okay, what is your AB actually here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I into J, K, L. Okay. What is this X? A, B, C into J, K, L. So exactly this into this is X. Similarly, this into this is Y. Similarly, this into this is Z. Okay. So this whole thing, that product of these two is this, that is there as this column and this column. Similarly, this into second column, this into second column, this into second column, as to that this product will correspond, will get alpha, beta, gamma. Similarly, this into third column, this into third column, this into third column, as good as this product, which is this.
So option A is correct.
Yes, option A is correct.
Oh, okay, sir.
So C is also correct.
Yeah, C is anyway obviously correct because you are just adding these two results. That when you add these two, correspondingly adding these two. It is like as good as saying, can I write AB plus AC as A into B plus C? Distributive law?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is exactly option C, right? This after all B plus C or C plus. Okay, that is where is that? J plus N. Yeah, B plus C. That's all. Option C is obviously right. You can even tell the reason if you want. It is simply this.
But then all options are correct, sir. Option B is also correct, no, sir.
Yeah, option B is also correct. Option C is correct based on this formula, whereas A and B are just stacking up the things. Here I did not use all the three results. I only stacked these two columns here, then stacked these two answers here. Okay, so A is also right.
Sir, once can you explain again the first option? How it is not.
Okay. See, let us really try to multiply. Let us not worry about this. I want this answer. So this into this I should write here. AJ plus BK plus CL. But when I multiply these two, AJ plus BK plus CL should be X only. That's why I kept here X. So you look at this and look at this and this and this, you will understand better. This is A, this is B, this is answer. Now, really multiply these two and try to do this. This into this should be X. So this into this is X. This into this is Y. So this into this is this Y. This into this is this Z. So this into this is this Z. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Now coming to this, let us take AC. What is AC? This you have to multiply with MNO. This into this is alpha. This into this is beta. This into this is gamma. Similarly, if you take this into the second row alpha, this into the second row beta, this into this third row, second row gamma. That is exactly those things. Is it okay, Kasi?
Okay, sir.
Similarly, you can
Yeah, I got it.
these three rows into third column with the corresponding answers. All right, so I'm erasing all this. Okay, now when I discuss IP solutions, I'll give you some idea about mathematical induction. Normally, we always start our course with mathematical induction chapter only. Generally, some people may find it in the beginning a little odd. So, and after that, we used to start with trigonometry. So there are 2-3 questions in second exercise based on mathematical induction. I'll tell you what is that. But apart from that, if you take past year mains questions and advanced questions, you will find some type of questions in multiplication of matrices. What is that? They'll give a matrix 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. Sometimes they'll ask what is a power 1000 or a power 500 or a power 100, something like this. So how to do those kind of questions? One, it takes a lot of time. You can find a square and then a cube, a power 4, a power 5. It takes a lot of time. How to find them? There are 2 methods. You find a, you find a square, you find a cube, you find a power 4. You will find a pattern. Okay. By looking at the pattern, you will be able to guess the answer. Okay. We'll give some examples for that. So, but before that, some more theory I want to tell. What I'm going to tell is a little bit based on second year, but I thought why to skip it. I want to give few formulas. Okay. All of you know that a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a plus b whole cube, you know, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A plus b whole power 4. Okay, this is not a usual formula that we use it, but you can multiply this with a plus b. Okay, and you can find what will come. Okay, what is going to come is a power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4a b cube plus b power 4. Okay, when you really multiply, it will come. I want to see a pattern. Here you got a power 4, but here you got a cube, here a square, here a, and here no a at all. That means the power of a is decreasing or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. And the power of b is increasing. Here power of b is not there. Here power of b is 1. Here power of b is 2. Here 3 and here 4. The
Yes.
power of b is increasing. And every time the sum of the powers is 4. Here only 4. Here 3 plus 1 is 4. Here 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So on. Of course, all these coefficients, there are something called Pascal's triangle. So we are not going to worry about it. I am going to give a general formula. A plus b whole power n is actually called binomial theorem. In second year, there is a topic called binomial theorem. We teach at least for 3 weeks at that time. But I'll just state the formula. Formula is a power n plus n into a power n minus 1 into b, n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into a power n minus 2 into b square, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3, a power n minus 3 into b cube. Next, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into a power n minus 4 into b power 4. So on, at the last b power n will come. Okay. So this is a general version of all these things together, a plus b whole power n. It's called binomial theorem. How it is derived, how the formula came, right now don't worry. Just take the formula. All right.
Sir,
So yes, please.
there in the general formula, you gave that 1 into 2 in the denominator, no, sir.
Yeah.
In the a plus b to the power of 4, the third term 6, how did it become, sir?
Oh, okay. You can see n equal to 3. If you take, what will come? N equal to 4, sorry. 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. How much is that? 4 into 4 minus 1 by 1 into 6 only, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
N minus 1, I did not see. Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. N into n minus 1. Here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. So on.
So we have to make note of this, sir.
Yeah, everybody should write this in the class notes. Okay, this is for real numbers in general. The same thing I'm writing for matrices. If AB equal to BA given to us, A plus B whole power n can be written like this.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, here, what does I signify, sir?
I is identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1.
Okay, sir, this is for matrices, sir.
These two are for matrices. These are all for real numbers.
Okay, sir. If A and B commute, then this will happen.
Yeah. As I
Okay.
said, any algebraic formulas that you have cannot be used for matrices unless AB equal to BA. This formula
Okay.
cannot be used for matrices, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you have to write instead of 2AB, AB plus BA.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So similar, this formula also cannot be used for matrices unless you know AB equal to BA. That's the reason I gave.
Okay.
Here no problem.
Sir, in the
Here no
first
problem. I'll come back just one. I into B is how much? Identity matrix into B is what?
B only, sir.
B1. B into identity matrix?
B
B1.
B only.
So whether you multiply these to B, whether you multiply these to B, so nothing wrong, we can use this. Yeah, now somebody is asking, please tell me what is it.
Sir, in the equation you gave for the matrices, first equation, at last B to the power of n will come, sir.
Yeah, yes, correct. I did not mention it. You mention it also, right? Not a problem also. You can write it.
Sir, can you explain one, sir?
I'll explain. So this is B power n. Even here also B power n. See, what I was saying is, you have to mute yourself, Sai Venkat.
So after plus dash dash dash, what is that 7b per b to the power n?
It is not 7, it is just a plus. The last term I am writing plus B power n. Okay? Okay. So what I was saying is that everybody knows this formula and this formula in a regular algebra only. If you multiply the A plus B on both sides, suitably expand and add the corresponding terms, you can make a formula like this. Similarly, you can make formula for A plus B whole power 5, A plus B whole power 6, power 7, so on. There is a generalized version of this. In second year, we will use it just like that. There is a chapter called binomial theorem. We'll be studying at that time. Right now, I'm just giving the formula without any proof. Okay. So this is a formula. If you want to verify, you take n equal to 3 everywhere, you will get this formula. You take n equal to 4 everywhere, you will get this formula. This is 4. 4 into 4 minus by 1 into 2 will become 6. 4 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 by 6 will become 4. Like that, you can write it. But just take this. Now, if you want to use this for matrices, that is small a, you want to write matrix capital A, small b, you want to write matrix capital B, you can do that provided A and B are in the same order and AB equal to BA. Okay. Because any algebraic formula like A plus B whole square, or you want to write A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. These kind of formulas, you want to use for matrices, you can use it. Only thing is that you should have known that AB equal to BA. Otherwise, you cannot use it.
Sir, once can you read that formula? My network is unstable, so I cannot see.
Okay, fine. Yeah, sometimes I feel like, I can take that, your physics sir and chemistry sir uses a digital pad, right? We can, that is, even if network is not so strong, I think we can see the screen. But I prefer teaching like this, it is more lively. Otherwise, you don't see the teacher.
But sometimes it will lag, sir. If net is not proper.
Yes, correct. Okay. So we'll see for some days if many people are still facing problem. I don't mind purchasing one digital pad and using it, but I prefer writing on the board. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you want me to read which one? This one or this one?
That one only, sir. Formula A plus B to the power of n.
That is for real. Okay, both are same anyway. This is A power n. Okay.
Yes,
power of A keep on decreasing. Here A power n, here A power n minus 1, here A power n minus 2, here A power n minus 3, here A power n minus 4. Finally, A will vanish in the last term. Here B is missing, here B once, here B square, here B cube, here B power 4, and finally B power n. Is it okay? Next, here 1, here n into next smaller number n minus 1 by product of two natural numbers. If you want, you can write n by 1 here just for the pattern. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Start from n, go downwards 3 numbers by product of first 3 natural numbers. Next 4 numbers, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Is it okay? This and this are same. Even this and this are same, only I replace a with I. Okay. And identity matrix, I square is also I cube is also I power anything is I. That's why I wrote I here. Okay. And here also this is identity matrix only. Identity matrix into anything will be that. So that's why I did not even write I here. This is actually I into B square will be B square only. That's why we don't find I everywhere. Okay. Anything else you want me to? Yes, Ganesh.
So that formula you told us now that last B
this
square.
is B. This is B square. This is B cube. Finally, B power n.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So using
Yes,
this
please.
formula, sir, can you once derive a plus b whole power 5?
Yeah, I can derive. That means you want me to use this formula?
Yes, sir. Like once
I'll get a power 5, a power 4 b cube, 10 what is that? 5, 4, 3. 10 a cube b square, again 10 a square b cube, 5 a b power 4 b power 5. This is the formula.
like, sir, how do we know till which term do we have to stop?
Oh, whenever the a vanishes and you'll get completely b, you have to stop that. Or your n is there now, you are substituting n. Whenever it becomes 0, you'll stop there automatically. And the product becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
in
please.
IP text.
Sir, one doubt. Sir, 5a to the power of 4 b cube plus 10 a cube
B square.
b square plus 20 will come now, sir, because 60 by 3 it will come 60 by. Oh no, sir, understood, sir. Sorry.
Okay. If you want 20, it will come in the next step. Power 6, if I take 20, will come.
Sir, 5a power 4 b no, sir, you don't b cube.
Yeah, it is not b cube, sorry. It is 5 a power 4 b only. Thank you, Kaushik.
Sir, in
Here
IP,
only b, next b square, next b cube, next b power 4, next b power. Yes, Ganesh.
sir, in IP textbook I have doubts. Sir.
Yeah, I said I'm going to discuss after 15 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to erase this whole thing. Keep the last one because this is what I'm going to use it. Okay.
Sir, like
Yes,
a plus b to the power of n, we'll also have a minus b to the power of n, or else we should substitute minus in place of b.
Wherever b is there, write minus b, you could get formula for a minus b whole power n. Or alternately plus minus will come. Either way is okay.
Okay, alternative.
Yes. The first one is positive, next negative, next positive.
Okay, sir.
Anybody heard of the name Pascal's triangle?
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
Pascal
sir.
triangle. Pascal. Pascal triangle.
Sir.
Okay. So whatever numbers that we wrote, they're actually Pascal's triangle only. 1 1 you write, 1 2 1 you write, 1 3 3 1, 1 4 6 4 1, 1 5 10 10 5 1. In a plus b whole square, these are the coefficients. A square plus 2ab plus b square. In a plus b whole cube, these are the coefficients. A cube, 3a square b, 3ab square plus b cube. This is exactly what I wrote for a plus b whole power 4. A power 4, 4a cube b, and 6a square b square, 4a b cube, and b power 4. Just now somebody asked for power 5. I wrote it based on this one. Okay. All of you know about Pascal triangle. Anyway, we will discuss in second.
Sir, one
year.
doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, after power 5, you can write for power 6, sir, the same Pascal triangle.
Yeah, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1.
Oh, okay.
Add these two, this will come. Add these two, this will come. Add these two, this will come. Add these two. Add two numbers right in the middle of that. That is Pascal's triangle.
Oh, okay.
Does anybody had some kind of what you call maths lab in the school?
Sir, math lab, sir? No, sir.
Like your physics lab, chemistry lab, like that maths lab.
Yes, sir.
Okay. there are some things, it's not so nice to discuss at this, preparing for mains and advanced maybe. But some things are interesting. Does all of you know that if you take 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 so on, first n odd natural numbers, you will get n square.
Yes, sir.
For example, 1 is 1 square, 1 plus 3 is 4, which is 2 square, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 7, which is 9, which is 3 square, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 16, which is 4 square. You will see a pattern that when you take one odd number, 1 square, 2 odd numbers, 2 square, 3 odd numbers, 3 square, 4 odd numbers, 4 square. Does anybody know this before?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some of you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. There are some interesting ways to prove it in a very simple way. Okay. You don't have to use arithmetic progression, all these big things. Look at this. I will draw a square like this with the 4. Okay. Let me stop it here. Okay.
Sir, before you told one formula, what is that, sir? I missed it.
I'll tell you. I'm telling about that one.
Okay, sir.
I'll take this as a square. Okay. All these are squares. So if you take the smallest squares here, how many squares are there?
15 still.
16.
16, sir.
What are 6? Right. I'll count this 16 another way. This is 1 square. These are how many squares? These
4 squares.
1, 2, 3. 3. These are how many?
5.
5, sir.
5.
And these are how many?
7.
7.
Can I write 1 3 plus 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 4 square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same squares. There are two ways to count. One way to count is this, another way to count is this. If I put one more, a 5 by 5 grid, then this will be how many?
9.
9.
And this is obviously 5 square because 5 rows and 5 columns, right?
Yes, 24.
Okay. If I take an n by n grid, my answer will be n square. And here you will get 1 plus 3 plus 5 so on up to 2n minus 1. Sum of first and odd numbers. Okay. So I think without writing, you don't have to know any heavy mathematical knowledge to understand this proof, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So anybody heard of this proof before? This kind of proof before?
No, sir. But it
No,
was
sir.
very glad.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Even for the simple, I'm sure this at least you might have heard, but at least I'll give you some idea. Let me put some dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kept 5, 5. Okay, let me put one more dot. Okay, so I kept 5 dots here, like that, 6 rows. Okay, now what I will do, I will just draw a line like this. The line went wrong. Okay, right. I just drawn one line like this. That's all. Okay. Now, everybody knows here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Total 5 into 6. This many dots are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Let us see below the line how many dots are there. Here 1 dot, here 2 dots, here 3 dots, here 4 dots, and here 5 dots. Above the line, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. But their sum is this. So I can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to half of this, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. That's how we can actually derive 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. You take 1 to n here, 1 to n here. Then here you will have n dot, but here these are n plus this one will have n plus 1 dots. So total is an n by n plus 1 grid, and off is a double of the required quotient. Okay, so
Yes.
these kind of things are like part of the maths lab where you can learn in an interesting manner some of the formulas. Basically. Okay, that is apart because somebody was asking about Pascal triangle, some numbers and all. It went so far. Okay, please listen, everybody. I'm sure when I taught about addition of matrices and gave IP first exercise, everybody is very happy, right? You could do just like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And multiplication also, the first exercise, that is exercise first part and second part, I think somewhat easy only. And the mains question that were done also very easy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I wanted, I can avoid these things which can confuse the people, and you think lesson will be over and you will be quite happy. Okay. But I thought whether you find it comfortable or not so comfortable, what is required for a mains and advanced, I have to tell you. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I don't tell now, I have to tell this during the revision at the end of first year or at the end of second year. But sometime or other, I have to teach this concept. Because I'm using a little bit of knowledge of second year, some people may find it little difficult. Okay. For example, what I taught today morning or yesterday evening, some people may find it little difficult. But if you actually carefully sit and or understand, you will be able to follow. Okay. So if somebody is not able to follow, don't be scared. You ask me, I'll explain once again. Otherwise, when you do this lesson enough, okay. This is one thing I want to tell you. When months goes by, let's say after 2 months or 3 months, when you come back and look at these things, you will find it very, very easy. Because we are learning for the first time, you will find it little, some people may find little tough, some things to accept. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you have a difficulty, one should not think this course is very difficult, better to give up. Don't come to that kind of conclusions. You talk to us, we'll tell you. But personally, we want to cover everything at a good level so that later on it will become easier for you. Okay, now later on when I do some questions on this, you'll understand better. Okay, come back to this. There are some cases where this formula becomes easier. Okay, first thing is if a B square is equal to null matrix. Okay, generally null matrix I'll represent with O. If B square is null matrix, what is B cube will be?
Null matrix only, sir.
Null matrix,
B
sir.
also
Because null matrix into
only.
B. Yes, B power 4. Rest all will be null matrix. So now what happens when B square is null matrix? This is null matrix. This is null matrix. Everything else is null matrix. We'll be left with only these two. So I can write I plus B whole power n is equal to I plus NB.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, n into B also null matrix only, no, sir?
No, B square only, not B.
Sir, if B square is null matrix, it can be also null matrix only.
No. I can easily create an example where something is not a null matrix, but it's square. All right. Let us take 0, 0, 0, 2. Very simple example.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
multiply 0, 0, 0. No, some other number. 1 minute. This is 0.
Sure, actually, I think second row will be another number. So,
Okay. Yeah, if I do that, it will be better. 1 minute.
Okay.
We can easily create an example, not a big deal. Let me try to write. Okay, anyway, I'll try to write something else. I want this sum to be 0 here.
The first matrix, first element, you take some number, sir. That's 3
Okay.
elements 0. Second matrix, last element, sir.
No, but they should be same now. It is not just AB is null matrix. A square is null matrix. Right? Okay.
I think 0 in the first element, and first row is full 0, and second row is some numbers, I think.
Okay, 0, 0, 5, 7. Let us say 0, 0, 5, 7. No. This is coming 0. This is coming 0. This is not coming 0. Okay.
Sir, reverse that.
If I remove, then I have to remove here also. Na? It is not about two different matrices. Square on. Don't worry. You can easily create an example. Not a big problem.
Sir, 0, 0, 0, 7.
No, then you will get 7 square as the last element. Na? If this is 7, this is 7, you will get 7. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir. 0,
Yes, please.
0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 7. Like that?
No. They should be same matrices. We are talking about B square only null matrix.
Zero,
Sir,
zero, 5, 0,
Sir, 0, 1, 1, 0. Sir, column wise, can you write, sir?
0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. This is 0, this is 0. Yeah, that's no, but this is coming 1, man.
Sir, 00500050.
You want to write 0050 and 0050. This will make sense. Okay.
Sir.
This is 0. Yeah, everything is 0. One example is sufficient. I can create more examples. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, you are trying to put some zeros at least, but it is possible that nothing is 0 anywhere, but still it can come.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Understood, sir.
Yes, please.
5151
You should tell
11.
same thing here. No, you cannot tell something different. You have to tell same.
Same, because it's square.
Yeah. If it is not a square, I'm sure you would have told me as I'm talking about. Anyway, let me see if I can make something. Let's I'll take 1 1 here and 1 minus 1. This is 0. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Is it making 0? Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So none of them need to be 0. Still, it can be 0 can come. We
Understood.
can make so many.
Sir, no,
Understood.
sir. It's not zero.
It is not 0. Which one is not 0?
First element only, sir.
First row into first column. What is coming? 0 only, no?
1 minus 1, sir.
Yeah. So anyway, it is possible to make. Okay. So if B square is null matrix, there is no guarantee that B should be null matrix. Not necessary. Okay, that's good. So if B square is null matrix, B cube, everything will be null matrix. I will be left with only this, which is I plus NB. Okay. Let us say B cube is null matrix, but not B square or not B. Then you will get I plus B whole power n as I plus NB plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 factorial. Sorry, n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into B square. Rest all null matrices. I don't have to write. I have to stop it here. Stop. If B power 4, no, if B square equal to B. Okay, one should not think if B square equal to B means B must be identity matrix or B must be null matrix. No, you can easily write lot of examples where the square will come same matrix itself. Okay, as simple as if I take 1 0 0, what is the square of that? Same matrix, na?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So when B square equal to B, what happens? You will get I plus B whole power n. Okay, is equal to I. If B square is B, what is B cube will be?
Square.
Will be B only.
square, sir.
Multiply B on both sides, BK will come B square, but B square is again B, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so B cube is also B, B power 4 is also B, B power everything will be B. Okay, then what will happen here? B will come common. Okay, then I have to write all these things common. That is the B times n plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3, so on. Till what? Don't worry. Till end it will come. Okay, everything is B. But that value.
Sir, till B to the power of n, sir.
No, B power n is also B. I took that common.
Oh, okay, sir. Understood.
I have to write till 1. The last element will be 1 only.
Okay.
But all these things when you add, you will get 2 power n minus 1 into B. Okay. How this became 2 power n minus 1, I'll explain. Don't worry. Just write it. I'll explain to some extent.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it told you will calculate.
Yeah, I remember. Okay.
Sir, what is the last term, sir, in that?
Here, last time will be 1 only. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can you once try 2 4 minus 1 and 2 the square will come 0.
Yeah, you want to tell something? Yeah. 2 4
minus 1 2.
Okay. 2 4 minus 1 2.
Minus 2, sir, not 2.
Okay. 8 minus 8 and minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 4. Yes, it's correct. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you know, this is what I'm going to use it for one of the intermediate question to prove in a different way. Exactly this one. I'll show you.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, once can you read that second point?
This one, if B cube is null matrix, I plus B whole power n is I plus NB plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into B square. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
sir, in the third one, won't the last number be B power n?
Yeah, that B power n is B only, na?
Yes, sir.
That B I took common, right? So what will be left?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Sir, in third case, why
Sir,
don't
if we use some numbers in place of n, b value will be given, sir.
No, B is a matrix.
Okay.
B is a matrix. I is a matrix. N is a number. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain once the third case, I plus 2 to the power of n minus, how did you get that?
I'm going to explain. How this became this, I'll explain. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay,
Sir, in third case, why don't you take null matrix? That is B square is equal to J.
No. Whether B is null matrix or no. If B is null matrix, there is no question. You know why? What we are trying to do here is we want to find higher power of a matrix. If B is null matrix, there's identity matrix. Identity matrix power anything will be I only, no?
Yes.
But other than null matrices, there are a lot of matrices whose square is equal to original matrix. For those matrices, how to find higher powers we are talking about. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Till now, I have not yet fully told you why I'm telling all this. Okay, I just gave you some idea that sometimes they'll give a matrix and ask you power 1000 of that. How to do those questions? When I do few questions, you'll understand. Okay.
So once explain the second one and third one again, sir.
Second and third. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All are coming from this. When B square is null matrix, this whole thing is gone. Only this is left. Because B square is null matrix, B cube is null matrix, everything else is null matrix. That's why these two, that is this step. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When B cube is null matrix, this is null matrix. So from here, everything is gone. But this is there, this is there, this is there. That is this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But when B square is B, this is also B, this is also B, this is also B. I am taking B common from all these things. Here I am left with this
So if
coefficient.
B square is B, sir, then how is B cube B?
You multiply B on both sides, you will get B cube equal to B square, and B square is B again.
Yes, sir.
Multiply B once again, you will get B power 4 equal to B square, and that B square is again B. Okay. So everything is B, you take B common, you will get all these things. Okay. How that is 2 power n minus 1, I will give you some idea, may not be the complete idea. I wanted to clarify doubts, but today I may not be able to clarify. Don't worry, tomorrow morning also I can clarify. Okay.
Some doubts about the third section in the
Yeah.
exercise.
I'm going to give some idea about one of the questions. You'll understand.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now coming to this, as I said, all these numbers are numbers in the Pascal's triangle that we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, like this, right? Okay. There is something interesting about Pascal's triangle. What is this sum?
2.
2, sir.
2, sir.
And what is this sum?
4.
2 square. And what is this sum?
9.
9.
8.
8.
2 cube.
2 cube.
And this one?
2 power 4.
2 power 4.
Power
4.
4.
Yeah.
16.
It's a 2 power
2
2
power
power
5.
5.
5. 32.
32 is coming 2 power 5. So in Pascal's triangle, that is, if you take a plus b whole square formula, a plus b whole cube formula, a plus b whole power 4, a plus b whole power 5, all the coefficients if you add, you will get 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4 like this. For example, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 2, here coefficient is 1. The sum is 2 square. If you take a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3b cube. This coefficient, sorry, only b cube, no? Here 1, here 1. 1, 3, 3, 1, when you add, you will get 2 cube. Okay.
Sir, any method is there for finding the equation while using the Pascal's triangle? Like 1 to 1, we can by using that method a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Sorry, I did not. What is your doubt? I'm not clear.
Sir, see, in the second row, 1 to 1 is there. So
yes.
by using any method, like any method is there for using 1 to 1, so such that we can find the equation like a square plus 2ab plus b square. The reverse method, like we used a square plus 2ab plus b square 1 to 1 coefficients. Like while you by using the coefficients, can we find the equation a square plus 2ab plus b square?
See, Pascal's triangle is just a small technique to remember these things. Okay. Actually, they are what, like, we add these two, we write this, we add these two, we write this. That is actually very simple. Because you take this and multiply with a plus b, let us say, how will you find a cube b coefficient? You have to multiply these two and add them, right?
Yes, sir.
That is exactly we are adding these coefficients. That's how we are getting this coefficient.
Okay, sir.
Just a small technique to build. Yes, please.
Like, I think what you meant to say is, like, using this Pascal's number, sir, can we derive any type of formula?
Yes, let us say you want to find up to 5 you have drawn it. You want to make formula for a plus b whole power 6. Just know the next Pascal's triangle. It will be 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. That's it. You got it. The coefficients of this a power 6.
So what about the other terms like a and b?
That
like
only. Those things you write in decreasing order. Here it is a power 6. Here it is a power 5. Here it is a power 4. Here a cube. Here a square. Here a. Here 1. Here 1. Here b. Here b square. Here b cube. B power 4. B power 5. B power 6. Decrease here a and increase b.
Thank you,
sir. How do we get this Pascal's number?
I just said this is just you add two numbers, write this, add these two numbers, write this, like that. Keep on, you can construct further.
Sir, by using that
Sir, it is also 11 power
whole to the power of 6 formula.
What? A plus b whole power 6. You want to know what is the formula?
Yes, sir.
It is a power 6, 6 a power 5 b, and 15 a power 4 b cube, and again 20 a cube b cube, 15
plus 50 a cube b cube.
Like that. Okay. Yes.
We have to decrease a and increase b, sir.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
See, I am telling all this so that finally I want to use these three only. Okay, so these details again you will study in binomial theorem in second year. You don't have to worry about all this. Okay, that's what I said. Some knowledge of second year I am going to use a little bit here. That's why I am telling all this. Otherwise, it is not necessary. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think we'd like in all sections also we teach this. I thought you'll be able to follow. That's why I'm teaching this. Because if I don't teach in first year, I have to teach in second year. But the questions are there in matrices. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is, time is a little short. We have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. I said this sum is 2 power 1, this sum is 2 square, this sum is 2 cube, this sum is 2 power 4. Right? If I neglect this, what is the sum of all these things? 2 power 4 minus 1. If I neglect this, sum of all these things is 2 cube minus 1. If I neglect this, sum of all these things is 2 square minus 1. Like that, if I take 1 and n and all that is nth row, if the sum is 2 power n, if I neglect this one, what is the sum of all these?
2 power n minus 1.
That is the reason this. Because initial coefficient 1 I neglected, everything else if I add, it has to be 2 power n minus 1. Is it okay?
Understood, sir.
Understood.
Yes,
okay, but what I want to say is,
can you repeat, sir?
I'll repeat it, but if somebody has not understood also, just accept it, okay? And over a time, you will understand better once again.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, before you told one formula, sir, n square is equal to 1 plus 3 plus and so on up to 2n minus 2n minus 1.
Fine. Yes, correct.
Sir, from that formula, if you wanted to find 45 square, how would we find, sir?
No, 45 square you want to find. The purpose is not that. Purpose is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What is the 45th odd number? 2 into 45 minus 1. That is 90 up to 89 is 45 square. Sum of first 5 odd numbers, 45 odd numbers is 45 square. Is it okay?
Sir, okay, sir. So using arithmetic progressions formula, we can find no, sir, 45 square.
Yes, actually 45 square can be found very easily because 1 plus 3 plus 5 so on up to 2n minus 1. Na? It is an arithmetic progression with first time 1, common difference 2. Use n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Simplify, you'll get n square only.
Yes, sir. Okay.
But without that, it is just an interesting fact. That's why I'm telling.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, this 2 power n minus 1, I'll explain once again. Okay, actually what is there here is we have I power n and n into I power n minus 1 into b, n into n minus 1 by 2 into I power n minus 2 into b square, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial into I power n minus 3 into b cube, so on. Because I power n is I wrote this. Because I power n minus 1 is I and I into b is b only, I wrote b. Similarly, this is identity matrix and finally it will become b square. We removed that. Okay. What is the main point I'm saying is here into 1 is there. This number, this number, this number, this number, and the last coefficient. All the numbers when you add, 2 power n will come based on Pascal's triangle. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, except this, if I want sum of all other coefficients, what it will be?
2n
2
minus
to the power of n minus 1.
To the power n minus. That is exactly this one. That's how it became this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Yes, please.
sir, if you don't mind, you told one general formula, sir, that only n square. You can find any large number squares. Because I'm trying 45 square, it's not coming.
Sorry, your question is not. Anyway, I'll come back to your point because not related to our main discussion.
Okay.
Okay. Because I want to tell one use of this question at least. That's the reason I'm telling this whole
Okay, sir,
story.
no problem.
Okay. In IP textbook,
Voice is breaking, sir. Little bit.
my voice is breaking.
Now it is okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Just a minute. Somebody has IP textbook with you. Can you open the second exercise, third section?
Yes, sir. I open, sir.
Okay. There is one question. A equal to 3, 4, 1 minus 2. What is that?
3 minus 4, 1 minus 1.
3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. They want us to show that a power n is equal to
1 plus 2n minus 4n
yes.
n
Okay.
n, sir.
Okay.
And 1 minus 2n.
Yeah. See, please listen carefully. What is mathematical induction or your other doubts in IP, I'll clarify tomorrow. Okay. But what I'm going to tell now is not how to solve a question. I'm going to tell you how to make a question. Ganesh, mute yourself. Okay. I'm going to tell you how this question is made, not just how to solve it. Okay. Now, first of all, if somebody says you want to prove this, you take n equal to 1. Is it coming equal?
Yes, sir.
When you put n equal to 1, it is becoming 3. When you put n equal to 1, it is becoming minus 4. This is becoming 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So it is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you take n equal to 2, it is correct or not? Let's say you want to check. Right now, right side, if you put n equal to 2, it will become 5, minus 8, 2, and minus 3. I'll really find a square. 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1, and again 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Okay. This into this, 9 minus 4, 5, correct? Minus 12 plus 4, minus 8, correct? 3 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2, correct? Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3, correct? So when I take n equal to 2, is it these two are coming, a square is coming this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's say I'll really find a cube, really put n equal to 3, it's coming correct. Let's say I find a power 4, really put n equal to 4, it's coming correct. Now tell me, if I want to tell this for all natural numbers, okay, till where I should do it? For n equal to 1, it came correct, n equal to 2, it came correct, n equal to 3, it came correct, n equal to 4 came correct. So can I say, I'm so tired, why should I do so many times? For 4 times it correct means it will be correct for sure for all the natural numbers. If you put a power 100 also, it will come based on this. Can I accept like that?
Yes, sir.
No. That will
Wait,
be a
sir.
serious mistake. That will be a serious mistake. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, see, this is a black box. I'll not extend it, just few minutes only, because we are at the climax. I don't want to stop it here. Okay. Let's say we have a black box. Okay. There is a function. I don't know what is the function. Some polynomial. Okay. Some f of x. Some polynomial. Okay. When I put x equal to 1, okay, answer is coming 2. Okay. When let me take 1 only. When I put x equal to 2, answer is coming 2. When I put x equal to 3, answer is coming 3. When I kept x equal to 100, answer is coming 100. Can I say for sure, if I put x equal to 101, answer will come 101? Up to 100?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a polynomial. Okay, let us look at a particular polynomial. F of x is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, so on up to x minus 100 plus x. Okay, now you tell me, if I put x equal to 1, what is the answer?
X equal to 1.
1, because this whole thing is 0, but x is there. The answer will be 1, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I put x equal to 2, what will happen to the answer?
Sir, multiple.
The 2.
1 minus 2.
Sir,
2 only.
The 2 will be the answer.
sir, X.
You see, this is x minus 2. This will become 0. Here 2. Answer will be 2, na?
Yes, sir.
When I put x equal to 3, what is the answer?
3, sir.
3.
3.
Okay. So because I gave you the function, it is very easy for you to say 1 to 100, anything you put, answer will come that number. But when you put 101, do you think answer will come 101?
No, sir.
No,
No, at 101, answer is a huge number. When you put 101, this is 100, this is 99, at the last one, plus 100.
Plus 100.
Yeah, it is product of first 100 natural numbers. We call
factorial.
100 factorial plus 100. So see, up to 100 answer is one pattern. Suddenly at 101, the pattern changed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that, just because you check it for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, you cannot say I'll accept it for everything. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Like just because somebody passed first standard, somebody passed second standard, third standard, fourth standard, fifth standard, ninth standard, doesn't mean he will pass 10th standard, na? Okay. No,
Yes.
just some example like that. Now it's a stupid example. Okay, rude example, but like that, I'm sure I can create some function. Okay, so then one may say, how am I going to prove this for all natural numbers? Okay, it will never end. If I prove up to 1 lakh also, we'll say, what is the guarantee for 1 lakh 1? It will come correct. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyway, I want to tell further based on what is the theory we discussed, but I don't want to extend too much. We'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow. Your IP doubts I'll clarify tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.